Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter 14, data handling. Right? So first of all, what is the meaning of data handling? Like in this question, we have a sport and number of students. It means some pictures are given and we have to tell that in which picture we have the maximum number of students or minimum number of students. Like if I ask that in which sport the number of students are maximum, count in which the number of students are maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can check all the cases and what you will know that the number of students is maximum in case of football. Right? Now open your books, page number 200. Page number 200. The following pictograph represents the quantity of apples sold in a week by a fruit seller. Study the pictograph and answer the given questions. What is a pictograph? The data which is represented by the pictures, with the help of pictures. Now look at this table. What is written here? Each basket represent 10 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स. इट मीन्स हर एक बास्केट में कितने एप्पल्स हैं? 10 किलोग्राम. ईच बास्केट कंटेन्स 10 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स. राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज फाइंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ एप्पल्स सोल्ड ऑन वेंसडे. वेंसडे को कितनी क्वांटिटी में एप्पल्स सोल्ड हुए हैं? राइट? तो वेंसडे में कितनी बास्केट्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. राइट? अब आप यहाँ पे 6 नहीं लिखोगे. क्यों? क्योंकि ईच बास्केट कंटेन्स 10 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स. राइट? सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 बास्केट्स में कितने होंगे? 6 into 10, 60 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स. सो व्हाट इज इट्स आंसर? 60 किलोग्राम. राइट? बिकॉज हमारे पास 6 बास्केट्स थी और एक बास्केट में कितने एप्पल्स थे? 10 किलोग्राम. सो टोटल कितने एप्पल्स हुए? 6 multiply 10, that is 60 kilogram. Right? On which day was the maximum quantity of apples sold? Now what you have to do, check in which day the number of baskets are maximum. Which day? Let's count the Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 baskets means 90 kilogram. Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 baskets means 80 kilogram. Similarly, you have to calculate all the datas and what you will get, that on Sunday the maximum quantity of apples is sold. So write down Sunday here. Similarly, you have to do the rest 3 parts. Now exercise 14.1 on page number 203. The following pictograph represents the favorite sport of the students of class 4. Study it and answer the given questions. First question is, which sport is the favorite of most students? Now end में यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है? Each the picture represent 150 children. Each face represents how many children? 150 children. Right? It means this one picture shows 150 children. So what we have to calculate? Which sport is the favorite of most students? First of all, check which sport has the maximum number of pictures? Football. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are not 6 children but 6 faces. One face represents 150 children. Then 6 faces will represent 6 into 150, that is 900. Right? Similarly, you have to calculate all the number of students in all the sports and you will get that football sport is the favorite of most students. Right? Because it has a maximum number of children. So first answer is football. Right? Second question is, which is the least favorite sport? So इसमें आप क्या करोगे? देखोगे कि नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट सबसे कम किसमें है सबसे ज्यादा कम पिक्चर्स? टेबल टेनिस. means 3 into 150 that will be equal to 450 children. ठीक है, बाकी भी आप कैलकुलेट कर लेना. You will get the least number of students in table tennis. So table tennis is the least favorite sport, right? Next is, what is the total number of students who like skating and swimming? Now what you have to calculate? Number of students जिनको skating और swimming दोनों पसंद है, right? So skating में कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 150 multiply 4, that is 600. Next is swimming. Swimming में कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 150 into 4, that is 600. So total कितने होंगे? 600 plus 600, that is 1200. So third answer is 1200, right? What is the total number of students in class 4? So you first you have to calculate all the number of students in each game, then add all the students, right? Now the B part is study the pictograph and answer the given questions. First question is, what does the picture represent? First part is, what does the picture represent? So what does it represent? Each picture represents 200 emails. So इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? Emails, right? Second question is, in which month was the minimum number of emails received? Now you have to check that in which month the number of pictures are least. Then each picture represent 200 emails. Multiply the number of pictures with 200, then you will get your final answer. This is the same as you had done in your A part, right? Now the C part is, the types of TV programs enjoyed by the people of a neighborhood are given below. Use the information to make a pictograph. In the previous questions, what we have? We have a pictograph and we have to answer the questions. In this, इन्होंने क्या दिया हुआ है? हमें एक डाटा दिया हुआ है, हमें उसका क्या बनाना है? पिक्टोग्राफ, लाइक दिस. हमें इस केस में क्या बनाना है? पिक्टोग्राफ, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टीवी प्रोग्राम्स, राइट द टीवी प्रोग्राम्स, कॉमेडी, स्पोर्ट्स, न्यूज, म्यूजिक एंड डांस. नाउ व्हाट डज अदर कॉलम रिप्रेजेंट्स? नंबर ऑफ पीपल, राइट? सो नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन कॉमेडी, नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन कॉमेडी. कॉमेडी में कितने पीपल हैं? 400. So अभी हम यहाँ पे 400 people तो नहीं बनाएंगे. What we will draw? First of all, write each picture represents 100 people, right? What is its means? कॉमेडी में जैसे 400 people है. अगर हम यहाँ पे 4 pictures draw कर दें, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what we had written? Each face represents 100 people. It means 4 faces represents 400 people. It means our answer is right because comedy में कितने लोग हैं? 400. Comedy में कितने लोग हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each face represents 100 people. So 4 faces will represent 400 people. Right? Similarly, sports में कितने हैं? 600. How many faces we will draw? 6 faces. Because each face means 100 people. Now news में कितने हैं? 350. 350 में भी क्या आ गया? 300 plus 50. 350 means 300 plus 50. Now अगर एक पूरा फेस 100 people को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, then a half face will represent, you can draw like this, half face, right? So news में 350 है, 300, 3 तो complete faces and 50 a half face, right? This will represent 350 people. 1, 2, 3 complete faces. 3 into 100 is 300 plus 1 half face. What is half of 100? 50. 300 plus 50, 350. Similarly, music में 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, डांस में 800. Draw 8 faces here. Clear everyone?